In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website using the HubSpot CMS Hub, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of website development with ease. So let's get started on this exciting journey. First, you'll want to head over to the trial guide on your HubSpot account. This is your starting point for setting up and managing all the features you need for your website. The trial guide acts as a comprehensive roadmap, helping you to streamline your process and focus on building a site that serves your needs effectively. Once you're on the trial guide, the first thing you'll do is click on Content. This is a crucial section as it houses all the elements related to the pages, blogs, and other content types that will form the backbone of your website. Navigating this area effectively is key to understanding how to populate your site with meaningful and engaging content. Next, you'll click on Website Pages. This is where you'll then actually start creating the pages that will be part of your website. It's similar to getting the blueprint ready before starting the actual construction of a house. Here you'll have an overview of all your existing pages and the ability to manage and edit them as needed. Now it's time to start building something new. Click on Create to begin setting up a new page for your site. This is the moment where your ideas start transforming into digital reality. The Create button is your gateway to unleashing your creativity and structuring your site exactly how you envision it. Once you're ready to design your page, you'll click on Choose a Template. HubSpot provides a wide array of pre-designed templates to choose from, catering to various needs and aesthetics. Selecting the right template sets the stage for how all your future content will be presented. So, take a moment to browse through your options and choose one that aligns with your brand's look and feel. After picking out a template, click on Select Template to confirm your choice. This step will ensure that your chosen design is ready for further customization. It's always a good idea to review the template, checking if it offers the flexibility you need to make your website user-friendly and visually appealing. Now, click on ADD. This option allows you to incorporate various modules, sections, and other interactive elements onto the template. Leveraging this feature helps you build a dynamic website that keeps visitors engaged. Click on Content next. This is where you'll start populating your pages with text, images, videos, and other media. Crafting quality content is essential for building rapport with your audience and conveying your message effectively. Finally, you'll want to click on Optimize. This part of the process is all about enhancing your website's performance and ensuring it's optimized for search engines. By fine-tuning elements like metadata and image tags, your site is more likely to rank higher in search results, making it easier for users to find you online. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to creating a HubSpot website from scratch. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a professional, functional web presence. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your HubSpot website.